My name is Vinod Kumar Singh. I have done my architecture degree from IIT Roorkee in 1998, and I have roughly around 24 years of experience in field of architecture. I have done many type of projects. I have done prisons, I have done schools, I have done hospital in last 10-15 years, and then I switched to sustainability. Before joining to GreenTree, I was working with the government of Mauritius, where I did schools, hospitals, and various types of projects for government. That included designing, project management, etc. Here I am heading the architecture department of GreenTree, where I am working as a lead architect for GreenTree. We are doing many type of projects in GreenTree, which includes net zero buildings for in Udaipur, where we have various types of buildings like it's a basically mixed land use development project, which includes villas, farmhouses, senior citizen accommodation, 7-star resort, naturopathy center, and office and commercial building. There is a proverb in Roman which says that Rome was not built in a day. In the same way, this principle applies to the architecture also. Any building which involves designing, discussions with clients, discussions with various project consultants. So it's not a day job. It takes a lot of effort and team effort. So I have very good team here, in which we have 3D artists, we have senior architects, then consultants like MEP consultant, structure consultant, etc. Sustainability is need of an hour. As our Prime Minister stated that India is going to be net zero by 2070. So GreenTree is doing a lot of work in this net zero concept. We are doing many projects which involves net zero energy consumptions. So sustainability is not just a process. It basically buildings lifeline which evolves which starts from the designing, and it goes to the energy consumption of the building till end of the building cycle. So we have a very good team of energy analysts which tells us about how to orient the building, how to take care of the energy consumption of the building, and how to recycle and reuse the building materials which are being incorporated in the building.